some Maldivian noodles. It's burning in my eyes.
Oh, that's it. Then it will be easy.
So we are done with the sea part and now we're gonna go for cooking. We're making like Maldivian noodles, I think with the onion and the stuff, and sausage and chicken. He's the chef cook.
No.
No, he's not. No worries. So we got onion, curry leaf and pandan leaf. Keep freezing, chef. And that's garlic.
Yeah.
Good.
We put it in that.
Here we have a chili spice paste which we put on the sausage. Self-made. And now we are like putting the potato in some foil and then we fry them in the fire. Look how the two cousins are like freezing. Start with the fire. Coconut leaf fire.
Yeah.
Party starts. But now we try some Maldivian chips. Mango. Oh, cool. Not too spicy, it's good. So we just take the leaves from the leaf and then fry them. Yeah, it's super thick. And now next one. Garlic with pandan leaf and curry leaf and oil. Next step, oil, pandan leaf and curry leaf. Oh, the next ingredient is onion. You have to try them too. As a side dish to the noodles we add potatoes to the fire.
Yeah.
And now we added some dried fish. Tuna, I guess?
Yeah. Tuna.
Why you do it? To cook? Yeah, now we add soup stock. You have to smile for the camera. Our favorite
2, 3, 4.
chili.
Yeah,
More chili, good. More chili, yes. Yeah, we have now some spiciness thanks to these awesome few chilies. And now look, the show happens. 17 packages of noodles. Yeah. More. Wow. The final ingredient, soya sauce. Fire in the paradise. And now I'll show you the real reason why we made all this stuff. It's actually not because of the food, they just want to make a nice picture for social media. And we also made this chicken, I just didn't film it. No, we didn't. Influencers in the wild. I thought this would kill us all, but it's not that spicy.
Thank you.
Chicken?
I need like cherry and
Yeah, they made it less spicy.
both mixed, please.
I show you now how a Maldivian looks like when it has like 25 degrees. And we also found a super big mussel. Now we're gonna try it with the shell. Yeah, eat it.
You should eat it.
Thank you. Looks very tasty. You want?
No, you already had this.
I know.
Me got a better.
And now we are trying the dragon fruit, which is not a dragon fruit. Everything from the AC, man. So first you unpeel the outer part, and then you only eat this thing. It has a weird consistency. How they want to make a juice out of this shit?
They would just grind.
But it's super dry.
It has a weird taste.
It has a weird taste.
Let's see if you would like it.
That's how it looks like. No. The consistency is like you're eating wood.
No, let's throw it out.
I don't know what's the English term for that, but not good. And the taste is... It tries to be a fruit, but it's not a fruit. Bless you. Mwah. Bad dragon fruit. And there's inside also a nut, which should be very good, he said. After 10 minutes we are still not in the in the heart of this fruit. Yeah, look at this power. Poor Maldivian force. It's like tickling the fruit. Yeah, and that's the almond.
No, shit.
It's like coconut. It's okay, you eat the half. Can I eat it with the skin? Huh? Looks like coconut flesh. Tastes as coconut as well. Yeah. So that's the good thing about this fruit, that you have a coconut inside.